Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Halimah. So today in this video, I will present my final exam project. So enjoy watching. Hello everyone, today we are going to explore one of the most essential aspects of communication in English. They are writing business letter. Whether you are ordering supplies, requesting important details, sharing valuable information, or negotiating deals, these skills are key success in professional settings. Each type of leader has its unique style and purpose, and by the end of the session, you will feel more confident in using them effectively. Let's dive and discover how to make our words work for us in the world of business. So, this is our table of content. The first is ordering supplies. The second is the requesting information. The third is the providing information. And the last is negotiating. The first material is the ordering supplies. All business order supplies. Supplies include many different items like computers, part of assembly, and pens and pencil. For example, it is very important to business to have supplies when they need them. When you need supplies, first call the vendor to discuss price and availability. Then send a letter with a formal purchase order. So our move to different elements or facts ordering supplies. The first, don't forget to put your company address and destination company address. And the next, we move to the opening. You can tell what you are ordering in here. For example, I am sending by fax purchase order, and then you can mention what you are ordering in your letter. So next we move to focus. You can tell when you need the item and tell how to deliver the item. And the next is the action. In here, you can tell how you will pay for the item. For example, in your phone call with Mr. Dharma on December 5th, you promise to provide 50 discount and to cover the cost of delivery like that. And the last is the closing. In here, ask them to contact you if necessary. For example, if you have any question concerning our orders, never hesitate to contact me. We move to the second one. They are requesting information. When you send a letter requesting information, you usually want to find out something that was not included in a newspaper article, company website, or other source. So, look at the different elements of an email requesting information. The first is about opening. In here, tell why you are writing. The next is about focus. In here, you can tell who you are. And the next is the action. In here, tell what you need to know. For example, I would like to discuss price and vendor discount, promotional materials provided, and other issues. And the last is closing. In here, thank them for their assistance. For example, thank you for your attention. I look forward to hearing from you at your earliest convenience, like that. Now we move to the third material. It's about providing information. When you send a letter providing information to customers, be sure to answer their specific question. After you answer the question, give the customer additional information about your company and its products and service. Now, look at the different elements of the fax providing information. The first format is opening. In here, acknowledge the initial correspondence. And the next is about focus. In here, you can provide the information requested. The next format is the action. Here, you can provide additional information. So the last is the closing. In the closing, offer additional help and thank them for their inquiry. Good morning. Thank you for coming to discuss this contract. Please have a seat. So, we would like to discuss some points in this contract. One of them is the delivery time frame. We need the product within less than 2 months. Is that realistic for you? We appreciate your deadline, but considering the complexity of this project, we feel that 3 months is more realistic. I understand your concern, but given the time pressure we are under, 2.5 months is the best we can do. Can you agree to that? Alright, we can accept that time frame. However, we want to ensure that there is a corresponding increase in compensation to accommodate this change. Thank you for your flexibility on the time frame. I believe we have come to a fair agreement with a adjust compensation. I agree. We appreciate your understanding as well. Let's ensure that everything is outlined clearly in the revised contract. Absolutely. I'll have an update document ready and sent to you by the end of the day for your review. That worked for us. Once we review it, we'll confirm and proceed accordingly. Great. Thank you again for your cooperation. I look forward to successful partnership. Of course, it's a pleasure to work with your company.